Bad breath, also known as halitosis, is embarrassing and can take a toll on your confidence level. Bad breath can be due to a number of reasons such as eating odorous foods, smoking, dry mouth, medical conditions, gum disease, and sinus conditions. However, the primary cause of bad breath is the bacteria that build up on the back of your tongue or between your teeth. Maintaining good oral health is essential to controlling bad breath. This includes regular toothbrushing, flossing, and tongue scraping. Drinking adequate amount of water throughout the day is also essential for keeping your breath fresh. Plus, after eating a meal, swish water around your mouth for a few seconds. This will loosen food particles stuck between your teeth and clean your mouth. Along with water, you can also treat bad breath with the help of some readily available ingredients from your kitchen cupboard. Here are the top 10 home remedies for bad breath. Number 1. Fennel. Fennel acts as an excellent mouth freshener that helps control bad breath. It also contains antimicrobial properties that fight the bacteria in the mouth. Slowly chew a tablespoon of fennel to freshen your breath and stimulate the production of saliva. You can also drink fennel tea a couple of times a day. To make this tea, steep 1 or 2 teaspoons of fennel seeds in a cup of hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Number 2. Cinnamon. Cinnamon contains cinnamic aldehyde, an essential oil that not only covers up bad breath, but also reduces the amount of bacteria in your mouth. To treat bad breath, follow this remedy twice daily. Boil 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder in a cup of water. You may add some bay leaves and cardamom too. Strain the solution and use it as a mouth rinse to refresh your breath. Number 3. Fenugreek. Fenugreek tea is highly effective when bad breath is caused by catarrhal infections. Boil a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds in a cup of water. Strain and drink this tea once daily until you get rid of the problem. Number 4. Cloves. Cloves help freshen your breath and also have antibacterial properties that are very helpful in getting rid of bad breath. The easiest method is to pop a few pieces of cloves into your mouth and chew them thoroughly. This will eliminate bad breath in a few minutes. You can also make clove tea. Boil a cup of water, add 1 teaspoon of ground cloves and allow it to simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. Drink the tea or use it as a mouthwash twice a day. Number 5. Parsley. Parsley contains chlorophyll that can help neutralize bad breath. Simply chew on a fresh parsley sprig to refresh your breath. You can also dip this herb in vinegar and then chew it thoroughly. Another option is to put parsley leaves through a juicer and sip the juice anytime you need to refresh your breath. It will also aid digestion. Number 6. Lemon juice. Curing bad breath with a lemon rinse has been used for generations. The acidic content in lemons prevents growth of bacteria in your mouth. Plus, its strong pleasant smell helps mask the bad odor. Just stir 1 tablespoon of lemon juice into a cup of water and rinse your mouth with it. You can also add a bit of salt to it and then use it. This remedy will help to solve the problem of dry mouth, which is one of the main reasons that contribute to bad breath. Number 7. Apple cider vinegar. Due to its pH balancing effects, apple cider vinegar makes a wonderful remedy for bad breath. You can try any of these remedies depending on your preference. Stir 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar into a glass of water and drink it before eating your meals. The vinegar will help in digestion as well as cure bad breath. Gargle with apple cider vinegar mixed in a cup of water. Number 8. Baking soda. Baking soda, also known as bicarbonate of soda, is another great solution for getting rid of and preventing bad breath. It helps balance the levels of acid that contribute to bad breath. Plus, it fights oral bacteria that cause bad breath. Mix 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of warm water and use it as a mouth rinse once daily until you are satisfied with the results. Brushing your teeth with baking soda will also help reduce the acidity in your mouth and prevent bacteria from building up on your tongue. Number 9. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has antiseptic properties that act like a powerful disinfectant for your mouth. You can get the benefits from tea tree oil in a variety of ways. Brush your teeth with a toothpaste containing tea tree oil. Another option is to put a few drops of tea tree oil on your toothbrush along with your regular toothpaste. You can also mix a few drops of tea tree oil, peppermint oil and lemon oil in a glass of water and use it as a mouthwash. Number 10. Tea. Normal as well as herbal teas can also help combat bad breath. The antioxidant polyphenols present in both green and black tea can stop the growth of bacteria responsible for bad breath. You can also opt for an herbal tea like sage tea. To make this tea, steep 1 teaspoon of dried sage in a cup of hot water for 5 minutes. Strain and drink this tea several times a day to keep your breath fresh. If your bad breath persists even after trying these natural treatments, consult a doctor or dentist to see if there is a more serious underlying problem. If you liked the video, give us a thumb and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and share with friends.